Alright, picture this. You're standing under a huge rocket and suddenly it roars to life. But how exactly does that giant metal tube leap off the ground and shoot into space? Let's break it down. Rockets work thanks to something called Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. When a rocket burns its fuel, it blasts hot gases out of its engines at super high speed. That's the action. The reaction? The rocket gets pushed in the opposite direction, up, and away. But it's not just about shooting fire out the back. The fuel inside, usually a mix of chemical propellants, is designed to burn super fast, releasing a ton of energy all at once. This energy creates massive pressure, forcing the gases out through a small nozzle at the bottom. The tighter the nozzle, the faster those gases shoot out, and the more thrust the rocket gets. Now here's the cool part. Rockets need to carry all their own fuel because there's no air in space to push against. That's why rockets look so tall and skinny. They're basically flying fuel tanks strapped to an engine. And once the rocket gets high enough, it drops off the empty fuel tanks to lose weight and goes even faster. That's called staging, and it's how we reach the insane speeds needed to escape Earth's gravity. So next time you see a rocket launch, remember, it's all about physics, chemistry, and a whole lot of awesome engineering. The next big leap into space? It could start in your classroom with your curiosity. Stay curious and keep looking up.